the hell? Yeah, what is it?
What do you think that is?
It's moving over that way. Sounds like...
Well, that's a cow. Tucker.
Tucker, shut up.
Tucker, come.
I hear two growls. Let's get in here. Look. There's the one big one and there's a little low growl. What the frick?
There may be a bear out there.
You think so?
We gotta run in here fast, man. Hello? Do you think that's a bear? The Yeah, you hear it, Tucker.
Don't do that.
Can it break into houses? Can big animals like that break into houses? Well, let's go inside. That thing's walking through the woods right over there. Yeah. It's not behind a fence.
Why do you do that? Is that smart?
Why?